This is quick guide on how to get free flying mounts in Devas of Creation. In Devas of Creation, flying mounts become available at level 40. This guide will walk you through the process of obtaining one. Step 1. Find the quest location. Location: head to the Lake Forest Catacombs entry, where you'll find a waypoint between the catacombs entrance and a house. Fastest route: use the waypoint to quickly reach the location. Step 2. Start the repeatable quest. Quest giver: just up the hill from the catacombs, you'll meet the quest giver who assigns a repeatable quest. Objective: defeat 15 boulder trolls and 10 glacier trolls, all found nearby. Step 3. Complete the first quest task. Collect troll meat. After defeating the trolls, gather troll meat and deliver it to Zoran. Return journey: Zoran will give you a box to deliver back to the original quest giver. Step 4. Gather items for the next task. Required items: collect 25 Aza mushrooms and 12 ruby berries, which are scattered around the troll area. Tip: you can collect these items while fighting trolls, saving you time. Step 5. Final turn-in and reward. Turn in: after gathering the required items, return to the quest giver and roll for a reward. Drop chance: there is a 1% chance of receiving one of 3 flying mounts from the chest. Step 6. Leveling up your flying mount. Unlocking the mount: once you receive your mount, it must be leveled to 10 before you can use it. Fast leveling: head to the catacombs and farm fiends or large groups of enemies to quickly level up your mount. Final tips. Repeat for better luck: the mount is a rare drop, so you may need to repeat the quest multiple times. Flying perks: once unlocked, flying mounts allow for faster travel and easier exploration, including access to previously unreachable areas. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.